Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're doing a quick review of the Cobra roof rack platform. It was a bit of a mission to install. We've at some stages gave up, but we persevered. It's a bit finicky in some stages. I'm sure Ashley enjoyed installation tremendously.
Enjoyed.
We are rushing this intro a bit. It's going to get dark soon.
Gonna do a walk around and just show you the bits that was gonna fit, the bits that gave us trouble, the stuff we put on top for the was it the
Thingamabobs,
awning.
the awning, and some of the issues that we need to still fix because the design of this roof rack is not perfect. You get
what
what
you
you
paid
pay
for.
for.
The design's fine, it's just the very unclear instructions.
And some parts are missing.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's on. It's been almost 2 weeks now. It hasn't fallen off yet, so kudos, well done.
Kudos to you.
Yeah, good stuff.
You figured it out.
We'll see you in the outro. Cheers. So we ran into a little snafu again. The width of the roof rack is not wide enough to fit into the Jimny's roof rails here. It's like it's smidge too short. If I make it more wider, it will sit on a bolt, and that's not ideal. We'll have to come up with plan B. This is super frustrating. Fuck's sakes.
Fuck's sakes.
Who the fuck? We didn't film all the fiddly attempts to get the roof rack legs into the Jimny's roof channel. Here's the method that actually worked. Fully assemble the platform first, then remove one corner channel bolt, slide the leg in, and loosely secure it with using the supplied bolt plus the one you removed. That keeps the platform stable while you fit the other three legs. They sit wider than the platform, so don't tighten anything yet. Once all four are on, test fit the rack in the roof channel. Make sure the legs sit snug, then tighten everything down. And finally, we wrap the leg clamp with insulation tape so it doesn't scratch the paint. So we're just going to do a quick walk around before it gets too dark. This is the Cobra platform. It's about $700 delivered. And as we said, it was a bit of a mission to get this installed. It is listed as a part that will fit the Jimny, but these little legs that came with the kit, I think the engineering team must spend a bit more time in figuring this stuff out. Don't know what the fuck I'm saying. you get what you pay. You pay what you get for. No, you get what you pay for. The slats are running in the length of the car. I'm gonna fucking throw this phone away so far. Focus in the length of the vehicle. Oh, I'm so gonna throw this fucking phone.
There's a bit of a height discrepancy.
Focus, you dumbass. I don't know even what the fuck it's called.